Hi, welcome to Protect Intellectual Property lesson. In this lesson, we have introduction about IP is a broadly used term which describes assets which can be considered new or original and belong to the asset's creator. Examples of IP: literature, music, discoveries, invention, words, phrases, designs, and brands. Intellectual property law makes it clear who the new invention or design should belong to. Copyright is the process of assigning ownership for IP. Copyright protects original work after they are recorded in some way, such as on paper, film, or sculpture. A discussion about the protection of intellectual property rights should begin with an examination of the legislation and the standards that apply in your country. Objectives: identify current legislation and standards relating to intellectual property and copyright. Investigate current organizational copyright policy. Adhere to organizational policy and current legislation in work practices. Legislation and standards for intellectual property. Legislation refers to statutes